Hello and welcome back to Topic Programming. In today's video, we're going to discuss the 13 essential computer science terms that every programmer should know. So, let's get started. Number 1. User interface. A user interface is the graphical layout of an application. It includes buttons, menus, and other elements that allow users to interact with the software. Number 2. Input. Input is any data that a program receives from a user or another program. This can include mouse clicks, keyboard input, or data from sensors. Number 3. Output. Output is any data that a program generates, such as text, images, or audio. Let's take a quick pause in the video and consider subscribing if you're this far in the video. Then drop a comment and tell if you've learned anything in this video. Now let's continue. Number 4. Program statement. A program statement is a line of code that performs a specific task. It can include calculations, conditional statements, and loops. Number 5. Program. A program is a set of instructions that a computer follows to perform a specific task. This can include anything from simple calculations to complex operations. Number 6. Sequential programming. Sequential programming is a programming paradigm where a program executes a series of instructions in a linear fashion. Number 7. Event-driven programming. Event-driven programming is a programming paradigm where a program responds to events or user actions. This can include things like button clicks or sensor readings. Number 8. Documentation. Documentation is a set of written instructions or guidelines that explain how a program works. It can include user manuals, technical specifications, and API documentation. Let's take a quick pause in the video and consider subscribing if you're this far in the video. Then drop a comment and tell if you've learned anything in this video. Now let's continue. Number 9. Comment. A comment is a piece of text within a program that explains what the code is doing. It is not executed by the program and is only there to help programmers understand the code. Number 10. Pair programming. Pair programming is a development technique where two programmers work together on the same code. This can help improve code quality and reduce errors. Number 11. Debugging. Debugging is the process of finding and fixing errors or bugs in a program. This can involve using debugging tools, testing, and code reviews. Number 12. Development process. The development process is the set of steps that a software project goes through from conception to deployment. It can include planning, design, development, testing, and maintenance. Number 13. Event. In computer science, an event is a signal that something has happened. This can include user actions, sensor readings, or other triggers. That's it for today's video. We hope you found these computer science terms useful. If you have any questions or suggestions, be sure to leave them in the comments below.